Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Equipment Remarketing. We have here a 2014 MOFFETT M55 sitting here 2,356 hours. This thing has a 10-foot mast, a backrest, brick and block forks. We can switch that out with lumber forks if you'd like for free, ladies and gentlemen. Now this thing is standing tall. It's been completely repainted and refurbished. When we refurbish it, we look for anything worn such as pins, bushings, chains, mast bearings, rollers, anything of that matter that's wearable. If it's found to be out of spec or bad, it's replaced. We also pressure and leak test the system. You can see evidence of new hoses. You can see new hoses here and there. If it's found that the hose be bad or getting bad, we go ahead and replace it. We also check out the cylinders, the wheel motors, and if anything is leaking, that's fixed as well. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we disassemble this partially. We take off many of these body panels, many of these gray panels, the roll cage, the seat. See new bolts here and there. This diamond plating is removed, seats removed. See your new bolts there. That way we can paint the gray separately, the doors and the hood too. And then that way put together, you have paint in between everything, a long-lasting finish. Now also all your all your oils are changed. You have yourself a date-coated filter there, so you know that you can hit the ground running with new oil. Nice tires all the way around. Back tire here is about 50%. Front tires are new. Ladies and gentlemen, check out this Kubota engine here. Now we're going to back this engine up for 30 days. We're so confident of the refurbished process. This engine's backed up by us for 30 days. The whole machine is given what we call operational guarantee. What that means when it shows up, it's in the condition I'm showing you here right now, we're going to back you up, help you get it fixed. Now that's just when it shows up. Once you get to work, then that ends. But ladies and gentlemen, you can buy this thing sight unseen because of our operational guarantee and our engine warranty. That way you know you're getting a good unit. If you don't want to come out and just want to use this video and pictures, you can do that. You can come out, be glad to have you, show you the whole shop here. Now we're going to go ahead and fire it up, give you a little bit of operational just to show you how nice it runs, how tight everything is. Hear that Kubota come to life. Now we're going to show you the mast going up and down. Tilt. Side shift. Mast carriage going in and out. Outriggers. Now we're going to just drive it back and forth and do a circle. Here's your backup alarm. All your lights are operational. Your steering's tight. All your motors are in sync. Why even buy new when you can buy this thing with operational guarantee and a 30-day engine warranty? Now, ladies and gentlemen, give us a call, 260-238-4998. 260-238-4998. You can check us out on the web, 99lifts.com, 99lifts.com. Thank you for watching this video.